All right, get it done.
Okay, tell me what you want me to do and how we're gonna do this.
Hey, I don't like the way the head looks.
I know. Hopefully the Metacam and everything will help that swelling. Alright, so
I'm gonna move this down here just so it doesn't get knocked on top of him, and then we have to try and pick it up when stuff rolls.
He said he won't be able to bite us on top of the shell.
Because he's hurt on top of the
He
shell.
said to drip the betadine.
Do you just want me to put this over his face anyways?
Yeah, I probably should just to. Yeah.
There goes the hydraulics.
I wish you would do it the other way so it doesn't all go down to his face, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to flush it. Oh, you don't like that, huh? I'm sorry, buddy. We're going to give you some water.
I'm trying to hold this.
Let it soak in it.
Yeah.
Thanks. I don't know if that's cracked too, or if that's just blood in the little
Right.
crevice.
Look at
It's
how
just
far
a
back she's
crevice.
squirting. Surprised you're not standing across the room.
Just for
Well,
those of you
plus I
viewing
don't-
this video, Angel is a little uncomfortable around snapping turtles.
She's got one foot out the door in case.
How's it going, Angel?
you.
I mean, respectfully, my boss, I love you. Well, I think we should do it again. I think that's good.
I would do it one more time.
Yeah, this is the first time I would do twice.
You want
Because I can still see like something right here, whether it's grass or.
to roll it out for me? Yeah, those are hard.
So,
He says he can't get me on his back.
but that's just through the phone. You can see it. Nothing
Just so you know, Yusef, if Angel gets bit, she's gonna blame
You
you.
told me. I do need more. Please. Thank you. I'm so scared.
And yeah, don't trust for a minute that those gloves will actually
Right.
protect you.
I'm just
Trying,
trying.
yep,
Can't
there
see.
you go.
Maybe I should
I think that's the
videotape my face right
perfect way to do it. There's Angel on
Look
the
at those,
toilet.
those toes digging.
I know. Gosh.
now. Oh, that I think that's
Okay.
good.
Look at the tail. Look at this dinosaur tail.
Angel just ran into the open window.
This is not my day.
I can't. They won't even let me
He looks
bend
like a
it.
dinosaur on his tail.
I know,
like
they
a
do.
Stegosaurus.
Uh-huh.
Hey, watch your face, girlfriend. Go in.
No. It
Seriously.
won't.
Okay. Yeah, you
He's gonna move, so just be prepared. He's probably gonna.
probably
Don't
feel
pull it back out.
It's so big.
Probably have his little fat pouch.
Yeah.